In today's vlog, we made a big mistake and we had to use one of these cool drill attachments to fix it. Let me explain what happened.
So my goal with these vlogs is to show you the actual process of renovating a bathroom and what it is like to be a bathroom remodeler or just a contractor in general. So there are setbacks. Today we're going to be dealing with setbacks, and my goal is to show you those and not just to flex on you with all the cool stuff and the easy stuff that you have to do. One of the setbacks that we're working with today is that we have this big grand bathroom with this massive shower here that it makes this toilet area looks kind of puny and almost claustrophobic. So Catherine really wants us to make this area at least a couple inches bigger. We're at 33, which is within code. We want to be closer to 36. So what we're going to be doing today is relocating that drain about 1.5 inches so that we can then move this wall 3 inches. So let's do that. All right, so the first thing that we did was disconnect this wall, which we had a bunch of huge lag screws there in that wall. And then we just sawzalled all the nails from the bottom, moved it, and then we can easily then reinstall it at the right distance. So this is our solution. By using a toilet flange like this, we're moving it about 1.5 inches, 2 inches off. So this is where the old flange used to be, coming out right through here. Once we get the new one on here, we are moving this over 1.5 inches, which will give us that 3 inches that we want to gain here. All right, so we sawzalled off this fitting, and if you see, there's a whole bunch of other stuff connected right into that, so it's not that easy to just, cut the pipe and move it 1.5 inches. So instead, we're going to be using this offset flange, and we're going to go into this old fitting. And the tool that we're going to use is this ram bit. This bit will allow us to cut out the old pipe from the inside and then just use the same fitting to then go up. All right, so now that we have that board out, how cool is that tool? We're going to put this pipe piece inside there with primer and glue, push it all the way in. Then we're going to put this fitting, and then we'll go our offset flange. The flange is a little bit too tall, so what we're going to do is just take 1/2 inch off of here and 1/2 inch off of here, and it will lower it exactly to where we want it to be with our subfloor. This piece here, if I install this right now, I am about 1/4 inch off, which is honestly perfect because I still have my underlayment and tile to go over. So I'm not going to glue this in just yet. I'm going to go ahead and put the tile in and all that stuff, and then put this in at the top, over the top of tile, which is okay to do. Then that way it works out perfect. Now let's set our wall and let's see what we got. We were at 33. Let's see where we're going to end up. If you guys remember a couple minutes ago in the beginning of the video, we were at 33 inches. Now let's give this a measure and see where we're at. We are at 35.5. This took us about 2 hours to do. Let me know in the comments if you think it was worth it moving 2.5 inches. I think it does. Now this is definitely a little much comfortable area, and proportionally it looks better inside this massive bathroom. Make sure that you're subscribing and following, because next I'm going to show you how to install that waterproofing inside that shower and how to do all of the tile work. I'll show you everything you need to know on how to renovate this entire bathroom. Let's go.